Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be discussing that how you can add any PDF to your Apple Book app. What you need to do is just go to your file section. For example, if you have anywhere stored your PDF and you want it to your books app in just like this, what you need to do is just go to file section, and for example we have a book like this. Just open this book or any PDF which you have, for example like this. You see that there are some options here. Just tap on it and it will open up like this. Swipe right side and you see there is a book option here. If we tap on it, it will directly go to the books app, and if the book option isn't shown here, there is a three dotted. You just need to press over it and select the book option from the suggestion. Okay, just add a book section and it will automatically add the book into the book section in the library section from here, the collection section, and it will start uploading into your book section. And that's how you can actually make your experiments to reading your PDF into books app of Apple, and it helps you a lot, I guess. So that's how you can add any PDF to Apple Book app. I hope this video is helpful for you and making your experience better. If you like these kind of tutorials, please like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.